Most people do not really want freedom because freedom involves responsibility, and most people are frightened of responsibility. We are never so defenseless against suffering as when we love. Immorality, no less than morality, has at all times found support in religion. The virtuous man contents himself with dreaming that which the wicked man does in actual life. The behavior of human being in sexual matters is often a prototype for the whole of his other modes of reaction in life. Men are more immoral than they think and far more immoral than they can imagine. The creative writer does the same as the child at play. He creates a world of fantasy which he takes very seriously. A man should not strive to eliminate his complexes, but to get into accord with them. They are legitimately what directs his conduct in the world. Men are strong so long as they represent a strong idea. They become powerless when they oppose it. One day, in retrospect, the years of struggle will strike you as the most beautiful. Unexpressed emotions will never die. They are buried alive and will come forth later in uglier ways. Out of your vulnerabilities will come your strength. You wanted to kill your father in order to be your father yourself. Now you are your father, but a dead father. It is a predisposition of human nature to consider an unpleasant idea untrue, and then it is easy to find arguments against it. The more perfect a person is on the outside, the more demons they have on the inside. The motive forces of fantasies are unsatisfied wishes, and every single fantasy is the fulfillment of a wish, a correction of unsatisfying reality. The intention that man should be happy is not in the plan of creation. A woman should soften but not weaken a man. Words have a magical power. They can bring either the greatest happiness or deepest despair. Being entirely honest with oneself is a good exercise. We choose not randomly each other. We meet only those who already exist in our subconscious.